Hey guys, welcome back to BA Performance. I'm here on another day after work, and today's project is going to be the power steering pump bracket. It's a universal bracket off of eBay, but it still requires to be bolted onto the water pump. So we're going to change that. Let me show you what I got. So right here is the bottom part of the bracket, and that bolts on just fine, but the top piece here that goes to the power steering to the water pump has nothing to bolt onto. Okay, so this one has nothing to bolt onto. So what I'm going to do is cut out a piece of metal like this that I can weld in between the two brackets and hold this one in place. Like this one back here is used to adjust the belt tensioner, so I need to have that slot, so I'll be welding a piece of iron in there like that. Okay, bada boom, I got the piece of iron. And I'll be able to weld it in there like that. So for my next step, I'll take these two bolts off, and I'll take this bracket off, and I'm going to clean it up so I can get a good weld on there. Okay guys, I got took the paint off of these parts here, and I'll be reinstalling them and then tacking the piece of iron between them. Okay, let's see if we can get it tacked in there. Okay guys, I got some fusion tacks on there. Let's see if we can loosen and tighten the belt. The power steering pump hits my bracket, so I'll have to notch that out a little bit. Here's the a better idea of the bracket so you can see what's going on, and where I'm hitting is right here. So what I'm going to do is notch this out, something like that. Then I'm also going to take this off like that and get rid of that. So let's get to it. I bet you guys thought I was gonna forgot to cut that piece off. Well, you're right, I did forget to cut that piece off. So there it is, and spray it again. After I spray it, then I'm gonna let it dry, and then Okay guys, while we're waiting for the paint to dry, we're gonna have a half-acre craft beer called Now and Then. It's an India juicy IPA. Kind of matches the valve covers. Oh yeah, I give that 9 out of 10 quaffable. It's a little sweet, otherwise just like perfect. Okay guys, forgot to record, but I got our bracket back in there, you can see. So the next thing is to see if we can get the belt to fit, which hopefully it does. Okay, the belt is on, so just gonna tighten up a few other bolts and that'll be good. Alright guys, I got the bracket done. So thanks for watching. Thanks for having a beer with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.